Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day in the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, a safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Always do your best, but don't overdo. Always do your best, but don't overdo. When you overdo, you deplete the body, and you go against yourself, and it will take longer to accomplish your goal. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 214. We get the Nasdaq up 54. S&Ps are up 18. Gold contract down $6.90, trading at $1,319 an ounce. Silver up 5 cents at $19.24 an ounce. Platinum up $1.50 at $1,029 an ounce. Copper up 2 pennies at $2.21 a pound. Light sweet crude up 25 cents, $48.08 a barrel. Notes are up 11 ticks, 131.06. Down 11 ticks, rather, 131.06. Bonds are down a full point and 6 ticks, 168.14. King dollar down 97 ticks, trading at 95.37. The euro is trading at $1.12, and the yen is at 101.38. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We're up $2.20. You're at 216.96, and it's going after the gap down from September 9th once again. That number, folks, is 217.03. We've made 217.02 today. It would have been nice for, well, actually, before we get off, it very well could make that number. That number is important because I'd like to see that number get tested. We're a penny away from it. Going up there with 66 million shares, you'll probably do about 76, 80 million shares after going downtown yesterday with 128 million. And you're going into, the last time that we tested it up here was 76 million, which was on the 27th. And the characteristic up here is 221 million. So we'll see if we can, the SPY can get up and into that level before the close, and I do expect it's going to. The real question is going to be, does it get into the gap and stay in the gap? Dow Industrials. Dow set up the exact same way. You get the September 9th benchmark. Now, we're $213 right now in the Dow, 18,353. It's 18,404, so I don't see the Dow going up another $50. So what that more than likely will set up is that Monday, we're in window dressing Monday and Tuesday. It can get up into that level on Monday. Gold contract, well, actually, no, let's go to the NDX 100 because the NDX 100 as well as the NASDAQ Composite got back in the higher range again. The 3Qs right now are traded at $119. The high is $119.22. The low of that high is $118.77. Right now, you're doing 16 million shares. That's on the daily. On the weekly, what you're going to have here is that it's light volume. Bottom line is it's really going to depend on where you close. And it looks to me like that is going to at least try to test the highs of last week because we're right next to them. That's $119.22. The composite, we take a look at the NASDAQ Composite, what you have with the composite's up $53 right now at $53.22. The high out there is $53.42, so it's right next to it. Gold contract, what do we have with gold? Gold looks that it's got a little ABC structure on the way down, folks. Right now, you're down to $6.70. You've done 193,000 contracts, and bottom line is that this is coming into the lower end of its range. So gold's been trading here for quite a while. You know, the lower end of this range is 1305. And what it looks like is that this is going to go after that level, more than likely Monday or Tuesday. And where I expect we're going to see it come down to the 1350, 59 level. There we go. Let's see if I get that. If we go over to the XAU, the HUI, the XAU right now, XAU is trading down 49 cents. And what this did, and this is where it's really dangerous. If you're in this market, just get your stops in because my take is that this is going lower. XAU, HUI. It's going to be a great buy, but guess what? This has been building cause, and the way this traded out today, what it did is this. XAU, HUI, the gold and silvers, they went higher with lighter volume couldn't hold it. That's the characteristic on ABC Down. And we've been building cars to get into these lows since September 1st. Right now, the XAU is at $94.53. 89 is game. The Gold Bugs Index, we take a look at the Gold Bugs Index, that is trading at 231. It's down a couple bucks. Same deal. Try to get higher. Has light volume. I suspect Monday, Tuesday, it's going to go after this swing low here of 219. Now, notes and bonds. Man, these are tricky. So, notes and bonds, folks, where the notes are trading down the 10-year note, down 13 ticks. You're at 131.04. This actually, it's 1.5 million contracts. So what we did, though, is that's a push into the swing high with volume, and you gave it up on price. That's telling me that, guess what, man, this thing's going to bust topside once again. Bizarre, but bottom line, bust topside. That is higher price, lower yield. The 30-year, let's take a look at the 30-year. 30 has 300,000 contracts. That's good volume, too, pushing into the high. So the 30 is down a full point and 8 ticks. And the September 9th high and the 8th high in the 30-year is 171.01. We haven't made it there yet. We've made it to 170.01. King dollar. What do you have with King dollar? The volatility is going to continue in all these markets, and you can expect volatility Sunday night, folks. Why Sunday night? Because with King dollar, this is what you have happening. King dollar also had volume today, and it gave it up on price. So King dollar got to a price point of 95.89. You did 32,000 contracts, and you're pushing into the swing high that we had generated out there at 96.32, and we had done 29,000 contracts there. So when you're pushing into a swing high, you have the volume, but you give it up in price. It's very quick most times that you're going to go right back topside. And I expect King dollar, more than likely, is going to start crawling up into those levels once again on Sunday night. At this particular point, it's going to be all about, Deutsche Bank. Bottom line, got a nice bid out here today. It's going to be about what the settlements are inside Deutsche. But this is a normal occurrence, folks, when companies are going down the tubes. I mean, I think Deutsche is going to be around, but bottom line, you're going to see this market jump around on a continual basis for quite a while. You stay right there, folks. We're coming right back.